Hi ladies, this is Melissa Wilkinson, Senior Director with 31 Gifts. And today I'm going to talk to you about how this pink box of opportunity is going to change your life. So for just $99, you're going to get this pink box, which is full of over $330 in products and business supplies that not only are these products going to change your life, for real, the products will change your life, but also the experience that comes with being a 31 consultant will change your life. So it's more than just the bags that are inside of here. It's about the sisterhood. It's about being a go-getter and going out there and chasing your dreams. You're going to be able to make income and help change your life. And maybe you just want a little extra income so that way you can treat yourself to some Starbucks or have a guilt-free trip to Target. Or maybe you've got some student loans to pay off. Or maybe you need to pay for travel soccer expenses. Girl, I'm here to help you do that. So this pink box of opportunity also has the ability to give you a huge self-confidence, make some amazing new friends, even go on some free dream vacations. And like when I say change your life, I literally mean change your life. I cannot wait to see how you grow as a person when you invest in this big pink box of opportunity. So what's inside of here? Let me show you. Now, I mentioned that it comes with over $330 worth of products and business supplies, and we are hooking you up with the best of the best. Like these items in here, we're talking top 10 items. So we want to make sure that you are set up with the products that are going to help you launch your business strong, build some momentum, and then maintain it. So the first thing in here, this is our large utility tote. This is our #1 most popular best-selling item of all time. This sucker is completely always in the top 10. Let me tell you what, I have like 17 of these myself, and they're amazing. You can use them for everything, like groceries, the pool, the beach, packing. I mean, the possibilities are endless. So you're gonna have your very own large utility tote. Another item that comes with it, your Tapa tote. And ladies, let me tell you what, there have been many a day when I've been grateful that I had this Tapa tote, especially when it's raining. So let me show you what else it has in here. You've got the crossbody thermal tote. This is a take on one of our best-selling thermals of all time. This is great for lunches. You can fit a water bottle inside of here also. And your guests and customers are going to love this, especially that they can throw it over their shoulder or carry it crossbody and be hands-free on their way to work. The zipper pouch is one of my personal favorites. I like to use these in my traveling. I love to put like my hairbrushes and hair accessories right inside of here, so it keeps it separate from the rest of my toiletries in my bag. This is the fold and file, and ladies, this is an entrepreneur's dream. You can keep all of your files right inside of here. We have lots of these all over the house. They're great for keeping track of all of your bills and expenses. I also have customers who love to get these to keep track of all of their mail by the back door, so that way their counters aren't all cluttered up. Let me show you what else we've got in here. This pairs beautifully with that fold and file. This is the zip top organizing utility tote. It also is one of our best-selling items of all time. This is amazing for moms. They love to use these as diaper bags, especially with all of these pockets right here. We also have lots of ladies who love to use these fold and files, put them right inside of here, and then they've got an office on the go. So whether you work a full-time job and you have to bring files from home, or you want to take your 31 business on the go, this is the perfect duo for that. Let me show you what else we have in here. This is the Littles Carry-All Caddy. Check out how adorable this new print is. We have these all over our house. Ladies, I have one of these for every single color of Legos that we've got. They keep it all nice and organized, and then we fit them right inside of large utility totes. It's the perfect way to store all of our Legos. This right here, ladies, this is the Retro Metro tote. This bag here and the large utility tote together make this kit worth the money. This is a $58 bag right here. It is one of our most popular bags of all time. You can fit your water bottle in here. You can fit your coffee. You've got a spot for your keys. Ladies, I mean, I'm talking you can throw a purse in here, a lunch, your shoes. This is your day-to-day carry-all bag. When you pair this with the large utility tote, which retails at $35, you're already almost at that $99 mark. So these two alone make it completely worth it, even just a chance. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? You spend $99 and get a whole bunch of amazing bags. I have a couple more things in here for you that I've got to show you. This right here, this is all about the Benjamins, and I love this wallet. It is one of our most popular wallets of all time. What I love about it is that I can throw my cell phone right in here and have everything I need, zip it up, and with this wristlet strap right here, I am good to go. So if I'm just running into the gas station and don't want to take my whole bag, or even if I'm going to a wedding and I want to use this as a wristlet or a clutch, it is amazing. I have them in lots of colors, ladies. I can tell you they are gorgeous. Okay, what else do I have in here for you? Our pillows. Ladies, these pillows are amazing. It comes with just a pillow cover. I put an insert into it so that I can show it to you so you can get a better look. But ladies, these pillows are phenomenal. And ladies love to see what beautiful pillows they can get to decorate their homes and give as gifts. I've got one more item in here, and that is our cinch sack. Ladies, these are so popular and everyone can use a cinch sack. This has our cute new little adorable fox personalization right on there. Now, maybe you're thinking, wow, that's a whole bunch of amazing products, but I wish I could get a bigger kit. Like, I really wish I could have more products to show. Let me show you. We have a kit for you, and that is called the Deluxe Kit. Now, it is this one right here, and for just $179, you're getting over $630 worth of products and business supplies. I don't have this one here to show you, but I'm going to give you a sneak peek and show you two items that come in that kit that totally make it worth it. Now, we have this amazing close to home collection. I'm going to show you two pieces from that come inside of this deluxe kit. One is the close to home tray. This is made from mango wood, and ladies, it is awesome for entertaining. Your guests and customers are going to love this. To pair along with it, we have the close to home caddy, and this also comes right inside of that kit. So ladies, you're getting such an amazing value for just $179. So if this is something that you're thinking about, I want you to send me a message or comment in the post below so that way I can help you get started and get that big pink box of opportunity right on your doorstep. I can't wait for you to join my team.